Hi everyone. In this WAT-PI prep series, today we'll be seeing top 5 business news for today. The headlines are GDP growth to comfortably cross 6.5% in financial year 24. Growth in fresh personal loan dispersal falls in November. Positives in macro outlook outweighing uncertainties. India in a position to dream big. Big chances to expect in personal tech. India looks to conclude 3 free trade pacts including with UK. This article is about GDP growth to comfortably cross 6.5% in financial year 24. The RBI has recently projected India's economic growth from 6.5% to 7% in the current fiscal year. The government has not compromised on its long-term objective of strengthening productive capital expenditure. The expenditure has been reprioritized towards immediate requirements such as food subsidies, fertilizer subsidies, and cooking gas subsidies. Fuel consumption, UPI transaction, and auto sales are on the high in urban areas with rural areas catching up. This article is about the growth in fresh personal loan dispersal which fell in November. The growth has declined to 18.6% in November compared to 19.9% in November 2022. The non-food bank credit growth also slowed down to 16.3% from 17.6% last year. Growth of credit to basic metal and metal products, food processing and textiles accelerated while engineering, chemicals and chemical products decelerated. But credit to agriculture and allied activities and the service sector grew compared to last year. This article is about positives in macro which are outweighing the uncertainties. The global economy performed far better than predicted in 2023. The strong GDP growth rate corresponded with the lowering of the unemployment rate in most countries. Oil price decreased, however, inflation levels remained high. Many expected the US to go into recession in 2023 given the aggressive monetary policy of the Federal Reserve. However, despite many rate hikes, the US economy remained resilient. The performance of the Chinese economy and the Israeli-Hamas war will decide the development of the global economy in 2024. This article is about changes to expect in personal tech. Smartphones are expected to evolve significantly with AI playing a pivotal role in it. Generative AI is expected to bring about a completely different set of features to smartphones, cameras and sensors this year. Experiments are on towards making screenless AI-powered products like AI Pin, where users can take phone calls and messages without looking at a screen. Apple's Vision Pro is expected to release in early 2024, which is a device that has mixed reality and augmented reality. Portable gaming devices had success in 2023. Consoles like Steam Deck OLED and consoles released by Asus, Lenovo and Sony brought new customer into the portable gaming market. This article is about the 3 free trade pacts which India has in the coming year. India is hoping to fast track negotiation and close 3 free trade agreements by February 2024 before the general elections. The 3 free trade agreements are the India-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, the European Free Trade Association with 4 nations bloc of Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland, and the India-UK Free Trade Agreement. The free trade agreement between India and the UK is set to take place in the second week of January 2024. Negotiation on the bilateral investment treaty are also underway. It could be deferred if all issues are not resolved. The trade pact with Oman is expected to be signed in January 2024. These are the 5 articles for today, and once again you can find the full article in the Mockat.com news section and in the description below and also in the first pinned comment. If you like this video, please do a subscribe. We'll be posting more WAT-PI series videos. Stay tuned and thank you and good luck.